Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error on Mac. Your error occurred while you updating your firmware, so how you can fix it. First thing, you need to check your internet connection, so just check if you are successfully connected to your Wi-Fi. If no, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can also try is to connect to another Wi-Fi network if you have another Wi-Fi network. Also, you can try to restart your Wi-Fi router, and the latest thing, just try to restart your computer. So just tap on Apple logo and just choose restart and just ignite restarting your computer. So after, just go to Launchpad. Another thing, just uh, open System Preferences. Just tap on it, and now you just need to choose Software Update, and here just wait until it will check for updates and you will see your firmware because it's included in your software update. And here you can see that we have a available update, so just tap on update now and it will successfully update your computer. So this is the way how you can fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.